my gosh, my string hanging out this whole time and nobody told me. Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is vodka, of course, with Sprite and a splash of Welch's guava pineapple juice. I think that's what it is, guava pineapple. So good, so refreshing for these hot summer seasons. You would think I was sponsored by Welch's, but I'm not. I feel like one of them needs to get on that. Somebody to, let me be their spokesperson and make them some cocktails using Welch's juices, but that's another topic, okay? So go ahead, get your drinks, and then come back and let us discuss. On my Instagram lately, I've been posting these poll questions, and I feel like I want to use these poll questions in my videos. So if you're not following me on Instagram and you want to somehow be a part of these Naked Sunday videos, go ahead and follow me at Kissyface, Kissyfvce on Instagram, and follow me. Okay, so one of the first poll questions I asked, I think this was the first one, I had to go all the way back, was, is kissing cheating? Now, the results to me were shocking. 22% of you said no, while only 78% said yes. I think kissing is cheating. You know how intimate kissing is? Do you even know? If there's an attraction between you and somebody else, and you two decide, oh, let's just kiss, you might as well have sex. Unless you're single, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. If you're in a relationship, you don't kiss nobody else, you don't flirt with nobody else, you don't do none of that, unless you guys have some kind of ground rules. If the rule in your relationship is, yeah, you can flirt with whoever you want, just don't pass that, good for you, kudos for you, whatever. If the rule is, yes, you can kiss whoever you want, just don't have sex, then that's whatever it is. But if you guys don't have those ground rules set in place and you decide to take it upon yourself and run out there kissing Tom, Dick, and Harry and he, she, and the old lady, then that is by default cheating. Because your partner does not know about it, you are cheating. Okay? I would love for the 22 percenters, that's what we're going to call them, the 22 percenters, to comment down below, or if you are part of that 22%, if you agree with 22% that kissing is not cheating, I want you to debate me in the comments right now. Go into the comment section and tell me why you think kissing is not cheating. Just because you're not having intercourse? Is that why? You're not seeing them naked? Is that why? No. Are you hiding it from your partner? Yes? Then you are cheating. If you have to hide and do it, you're cheating. Okay? Anything you do not want your partner to do that you do, it's cheating. Okay? Kissing is cheating. Another reason why I feel so strongly about this whole kissing is cheating thing is because for me, I love kissing. I think kissing is beautiful. It is so sensual. And then my husband is an amazing kisser. I feel like me and him together, when we start, I'm gonna insert a clip of us kissing. He would die if I did that. No, but I feel like we were meant to kiss each other forever. Even if we break up or God forbid, any of that happens, I feel like we would always want to kiss each other because it's just so good. And if I knew that he was out there kissing somebody else, I would stab him. I would dead and big and serious stab him, because you have some people out there who are just horrible kissers. They have these little paper thin lips. They don't know how to use them. They don't know what to do. They're sticking their tongue in and out. They're trying to bite off your mouth. No. So that's one of the reasons why I feel so strongly about it, because it's something that I actually enjoy. And if I enjoy it, and if we enjoy it, and you're out there celebrating that joy or sharing that joy with other people, then you're cheating on me and I don't like it. So that's cheating, and I'm not going to cheat on you by kissing nobody else. It's just how it is. Don't be kissing nobody. Don't kiss nobody. Don't kiss nobody. But yeah, for me, kissing is cheating. If you feel otherwise, please sound off in the comments below. If you have a question to ask me, leave it in the comments below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. If there's something you're too embarrassed to ask that I have not, that you cannot, Like, if there's something you want to ask that you're too embarrassed to ask, my email, there we go. My email is in the description bar. Go ahead, shoot me an email. I respond as soon as possible. I know there are a couple emails that I need to respond to that I have not responded to, and I'm so sorry. I apologize immensely. I'm getting to it. I will respond to you. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign. And wait, were you drinking with me? If you were drinking, comment below what you were drinking. In the next video, I'll see you guys. Bye. Mwah. I didn't kiss you. Bye. See, kisses. Is this cheating?